What's up, guys, and I'm making the brand new video. And today, we will be continuing our Survival Series, episode 8, I think. I'm so surprised they added this and I didn't notice. Like, I'm actually surprised. I wish I could buy some of this, but I have like 0 mine coins. See? I need the free stuff, which I rarely think they have, but whatever. Yeah, I guess we can just search the texture packs, whatever. Yeah, I guess we can just continue mining this. Oh wait, we need a new pickaxe. Forgot. Where is this pickaxe at? We have a second round pickaxe, so let's just use an iron one. Why not? Just why not? We have like 23 iron. I don't think we're gonna need less. I just really don't want a creeper to spawn. That's all I want. A creeper to not spawn. Oh my god, this iron pickaxe is shredding, bro. This thing is shredding. Literally. And we just got a dead bush, and we just got a rabbit. Why do we need a skeleton spawner? Ooh, I know why. Let's go, bro. So I guess we're gonna make a thingy. So we're gonna need tons of cobblestone for this. So we're gonna need a lot. I guess we're gonna make a mob grinder. So yeah, I guess we can make it over there. I'm just gonna make. I have a better spot for my wolf. Okay, guys, I have a lot of spots where my wolf could be. This is interesting, the Pocket Edition version. I'm not gonna lie. I can't fly because I don't own a server, but whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna. I don't really know how to make these, so I'm just gonna build pretty high up. I didn't think how we're supposed to get down, but I guess we can just block clutch that. Whew. Okay, we're just gonna need to get our food too. Food. We're gonna get you. Okay. This is gonna be a pain to make, honestly. So we're just gonna speed up the process, I guess. So we're most likely gonna run out of cobblestone. I thought we had an infinite supplies. No, this is mob grinder. I know it's pretty small, but if we get more mobs, we can just put them on top. I think this is how these work. I'm not really sure what the plan is here to kill them. But that sapling right there is gonna destroy everything. So before this thing grows, because it's raining, let's just, yeah. How am I so hungry? I'm getting hungry every single 2 seconds. I really don't know how. Thing from right there, and then this would be the place. So yeah, and then we're gonna put a slab right there. Yeah, I feel like that's a solid plan. But this is still a real pain to do, honestly. We're also gonna have to do a roof, so we're definitely gonna run out of cobblestone. Like 1000%. Dang it, I missed it. What if we just make the roof out of something different? Yeah, let's just make it out of this, I guess, sandstone. Because we're not trying to waste everything we have. But now we're going to have a mob grinder. So it's kind of worth it. See? This won't look that bad, and I think we have like the perfect amount. No, we don't have like the perfect amount, but if this was one more wide, we would have the perfect amount. Well, let's get out of here. Just mining our way out. And let's just hope that they don't land on top of here. Yeah. We're gonna have to, oh my god, bro. Ooh, how are we supposed to get up? Do we have any more ladders? I don't know if we have, okay. We do have ladders, obviously. Why wouldn't we have ladders? I wonder. Okay. This iron pickaxe is actually better, way better than the stone ones. Yeah, it lasts a lot longer. That's something I will tell you. To be fair, it is an iron pickaxe. Okay. Dang it. Let's just hope that this works. My god, this is complicated, bro. Real complicated. Please, dang it. Ooh. Ooh. Can't mine that now. Let's go. I think we did it. All that we need right now is a slab. Holy, that thing already spawned. Okay. How are we supposed to do this? Let's go. Oh, now we can't hit them. Oh, okay, we can. We just have to hit a little bit more under. That one's in the far back. Oi. Yes, let's go. And then, wait, why don't we put And I feel like the loot should go into a chest, but we're just gonna have to mine in for now. Okay. Oh my god. 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 Let's go. Snowman. Thank you. How did they even get out? That's a power 2 bow. I don't even care if it gets off the enchantment. Oh my god. How do you do these? Oh, wait. I think they can spawn through blocks. I think that's the problem. Okay. At this point, I'm just putting random blocks down. I don't even care about the OCD, bro. Just sand. There we go. Thought we made one. I don't know how people make these. So how do we get down exactly? Oh yeah, the ladder. I don't think they can spawn through there now. Ooh, there's a skelly in there. We need food, bro. I was almost dead. Thank God for the snowman right here. I thought I just had him for fun. Oh my god. Holy, there's a lot. I don't think they can shoot me, which is the best part. You have to hit like the block. I don't really know how to get their loot. Oh, that one has an enchanted bow. Let's go. Maybe we can grab it through blocks. Yes, we can grab it through blocks, I think. No, I don't think we can, dang it. There's like a bow in there too. I really wish we just had like a fly. I really wish we could just fly. Because then it makes this way easier, but now we're gonna have to continue mining this. Oh my god, bro, this is complicated. So I'm pretty sure we fixed the problem with them spawning out. You just have to put like blocks on top of it. But yeah. We're gonna need iron gear now that we have this. Literally, we're gonna need iron gear. Wait, these chests actually come to use now. Let's go instead of having more storage. Well, we're gonna need a lot, and I mean a lot more blocks if we want to do this. Wait, don't we have like a crap ton in here? Yes, sir. Holy. Okay. I won't deny it. Now, how do we get under is the real question. How do you people like place? Wait, we need a water bucket. Do we have a water bucket? No. Yes, we do. Let's go, bro. This is risky. Okay, since it kind of pushes you off. You see that, guys? No, no, no. No, 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 no. See? See what I mean, guys? This is not an easy job. And especially in Pocket Edition. Wait. Where's our sandstone? No. No. Please tell me. There's already a block under. Wait, there's sandstone under the thingy. Wait a minute. How come there's a block under here? Nani? Well, I guess that just helps out. But like, how? We're gonna need to place our water here. So we're just gonna grab this because, you know, this water is actually really useful in this episode. I thought we were honestly just gonna make a whatchamacallit again? A cobblestone gen. We're gonna have to get blocks to bridge all the way over there. Oof, this is not an easy job. Holy! This is one legendary mob grinder. Oh, bro. Holy. I feel like we should put like lava there. But like, I don't know how we're supposed to do that now that they're already there. But yeah. Whew. So we're gonna need to move place from place. Like, we're gonna need to move from there. So how about we cover up that hole with the stair? You see? And then we're gonna have to break this one, I believe. And then we're gonna, yeah, you see? That's what we're gonna have to do. Please, no. Why is it so hard to break underwater? I thought iron pickaxes were good. And they are good, but like, jeez. Do you guys see this? Wait, they're fighting. It's actually legendary. There's one with gold armor in there. I think that's full gold armor. Yo, that thing's full. Like, actually full. We're like right there too. Let's go. Okay. We're just gonna continue the block until it's on. I mean, not until it breaks, but like, you know. We're just gonna continue breaking for a little bit. Iron boots, let's go. Gold, TNT, and rotten flesh. I don't know why we need the rotten flesh, but we have it. We got iron, which would go in here. How much unsmelted iron do we have? Jeez. Probably not too much, but yeah, we have like only 6 amount. Okay. We have a bow with 2 arrows, which is nice. Now we have more arrows because of the mob grinder. We can have a bow, bro. We can do a lot with those things over there. We're gonna need iron gear soon in this thing. We're gonna put the sapling in there. Cobblestone is very valuable. We still have an entire stack in here, I'm pretty sure. No, we don't. Dang it. Bruh. This water bucket was really useful, so we're gonna put that back before I die. No, you guys can not swap places. Okay. I think we ran out. No, sir. And yeah, this we 100,000% ran out of. Cactus. How did we already almost? Okay. How? Oh, we have a crap ton of bones. Okay. Why do we have so many bones? Like, bro, take Cachopo with the bones. More chests inside of chests. Right now. No. Coffee special, you go somewhere else. Sandstone, you can go right there. And yeah, you arrows can go like where the arrows went. Wait, no. Wait, can we pick up loot from in here? Like, okay, let's go across the sides to see if we can pick up any loot. Oh, we can't go back there. Dang it. Okay. So we're gonna continue this mob grinder. We're gonna continue this mob grinder in tomorrow's episode. So yeah, before the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I make a brand new video. Like the video. Yeah. Also make sure to subscribe to Winjikity _ Space Diddy. All the links are down below in the description. Whatever. And you leave a like or else your dog will betray you. Yes. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm talking about something. But yeah, like I said, just please subscribe. It would really help out the channel. And yeah, this mob grind is pretty interesting, not gonna lie. Like, just, oh my god, bro. I wonder if we can pick up loot now. And we're definitely picking up XD. Hey, not XD, XP. BP. Okay. But yeah, we have a crap ton of loot. Bruh. Oh my god, do you guys see this? This is an XP farm, literally. This is an XP farm. Oh my god. I guess this is a mob grinder and an XP farm. There's just one in the back that's like, please no. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. To get away, to see you again, see you again.